What's up, everyone? I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of Los Arcos Hotel and Spa. Los Arcos is a budget-friendly hotel located in the romantic zone of Puerto Vallarta with plenty to see and do nearby. Check it out. Rooms run from 60 to 80 during the low season, which is usually late July through October. Now keep in mind this is during the rainy season. Drinks here are decent, and the breakfast buffet is actually pretty good. This is an older, dated hotel. Rooms are a bit small, and this isn't exactly the Ritz-Carlton. Now that being said, the hotel is located in a prime location, perfect for someone who isn't spending all day in their hotel room, and located in the middle of everything happening. There is an all-inclusive option, however I wouldn't recommend it because you're limited to just one restaurant. And with dozens of restaurants within walking distance, it doesn't really make sense. All in all, I highly recommend Los Arcos Hotel, considering its location, great value, and good service. Thank you all for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments. See you guys on the next video.